As soon as I walk out of my office, this is my view. This is my school. We have like gardens and like buildings galore. Okay, this one's not my school, but this one is. This whole long building here, and this building is. And this is teachers' classrooms and kids, computer room, down the whole way we go. Ladies and gentlemen, 3/1 found a bug, and say hi. And this is what happens when we find bugs in class. 3/1. Yay! Everybody's crazy. Look at how crazy everyone is. Look at how crazy everyone is. She's the craziest. Everybody's crazy. You see how nice everyone's working right now? Hi. Crosswords, my friend. Crosswords and coloring. Introduce the drama game, The Wind Blows, to my grade 3 class. And before I even say anything, if I say game, this is what they do. They set up for the wind blows. They're sweeping the floor because they don't have traction with socks, so they gotta run in bare feet. So they're sweeping the floor, cleaning it up, making a circle, getting ready to play a game. Today we're doing Father's Day stuff. This is what my co-teacher drew. It's beautiful. I drew a flower. Yeah. Frog. Dog. And everybody's working hard, making Father's Day stuff. Father's Day dinosaurs. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good job. That's just being a goof. Good. Good job. Oh, that's nice. Good. Working hard, making cards. Beautiful. Good job. Very nice. So handsome. Hello. Beautiful. Oh, very good. Good job. YouTube, yeah? Oh, very nice. Hello. Hello. Woo. I am not sitting by. I need to pay attention where I'm walking. Very good. Very good. Good job. Very nice. Uh-huh. Oh, pretty. Very beautiful. Oh, and there's a dragon inside. A dinosaur. Oh. Everybody's working hard, being good, mostly. Give kids coloring and it's just wonderful.